Does it have guns?
Yeah, I'd like to put one on.
Gotta have guns.
Yeah.
Tap the brakes, go right into a hover.
Wow. Yeah. You like it, buddy?
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
Here you go, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Just put it in the ground. I'll unplug this. Yeah.
See, I could be a gyro.
Yeah. Very small, Charlie.
Quadcopter, you know, when the doggone thing starts to accelerate, it just takes off on you. This thing kind of...
Yeah, right. Yeah. Try to get most far you can.
Trying to film a tragedy.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
I'll let Bob think that I'm filming.
Yeah.
And I'll break out the guns.
Yeah.